Oh, hey, what's up, guys? It's Super Chris here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get eliminate coins and keys on Subway Surfers. Now, first, you have to encrypt your device. And then, like, after you encrypt it, first it has to be on the charger. And when it turns on 80%, see, it says decrypt, but once you go there, you need to create a long password. And once it turns 80%, keep it on the charger. And then click, and it'll say something about some fast encryption, and you do that. Now, and then is this app. It's called Mobogini. Download that, and you'll get this app. All you have to type, it says tips and tricks. It's like it's a guy it's a black guy. A black guy. And it says tips and tricks. But all you have to type it in there. All you have to say like when you're trying to search something in Mobogini, just say eliminate coins plus keys, and you could get this app. It says guide. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, tell my mama. And okay, go to the guide. It says guide. It's like a screen mask, and then all you have to type in the Play Store. Just type in eliminate coins and keys for Subway Surfers, and it should be like the first one on there that you see. And then you get that app. All you have to do is just download that app. So let's go in here. All you have to do is just download, and then just download it, and then go back. Download this app, the All Subway Surfers, and then all you have to do is just go in the game. This will work. I know it will. Okay, dang. How many times you gonna say that? Do I have eliminate coins now? You know why? Yes, I do. See, I have eliminate coins and keys now. But if you want to get it, I'm about to show you. Now you leave the Subway Surfers app right there. No, leave me alone. Really? And then you go to tips and tricks. Now listen to the directions. First, close Subway Surfers app. Okay, got that done. Go to settings and clear data. I'm about to do that. And then go to application. Oh yeah, go to your application manager. And find Subway Surfers. There it goes. And clear your data. And that's all. Now you close that. And then it says click apply button. There. Now it's there. Now go to Subway Surfers. Right there. And then it should work. Why does that have to come on every time? Tired of that.
Calculation complete. She goes right on to lay the next generation.
See? And then they'll say 3383. And then, boom, have unlimited coin keys. You can unlock any character. Anyway, I hope you guys like this episode. See you guys later. Bye.